CIO in disarray as Rusere bypasses official chain of command. Azvibere mushe panguva ino the leaked audio yakonzeresa tragedy. Panguva ino ichionekwa kunzi iri kuexposa president wemutungamiri wenyika aiwa missions the CIO as they are targeting bombshell Geza. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell. Kutikina bana pa mzimu ayudanyira chiti insiders confirm Rusere has established a parallel command structure reportedly funded by state-linked businessmen Kudakoshita Gure and Wikno Jivayo. Key allegations surfaced in a thread by prominent whistleblowers include unapproved intelligence mission targeting activists without Director General Mangwanya's knowledge, abduction of Gifford Ngongwe, C. elderly mother reportedly ordered by Rusere, massive offshore wealth in Dubai, Singapore, and South Africa funded violated public funds and gifts from mnangagwa, direct oversight of CIO field agents, effectively sidelining the DG's office, protection of controversial businessmen like Delishungwaya at ZVAITWA using state resources. One CIO officer told ZVAITWA anonymously, Rusere is mnangagwa by the boss. He decides who gets fired. The new Director General is no longer Mangwanya, it's here. The leak also exposes Rusere's involvement in sabotaging the citizens' petition submitted on 21 May 2025, demanding Mnangagwa's immediate retirement, a document reportedly endorsed by military officers. Blessed Geza, a central figure in that campaign, has now been marked as elimination according to the recording. Military insiders already concerned about Mnangagwa's weakening grip say the audio confirms their worst fears. This is no longer a presidency, it's a brothel with guns, one colonel remarked. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ine vana Rusere aiwa vauya vachibypassa official chain of command. Kuri kuonekwa kunzi they're executing some tasks without the Director General's knowledge. Zviri kuonekwa kunzi vana Rusere vari kupiwa pana vatiwana this CIO anoudza the ZVAITWA kuti aiwa on anonymity kuti vana Rusere panguva ino ndo vakabata kuti mutungamiri wenyika anokwanisa kumukomanda kuti Nikinga afaiwe ende zvichitoitwa saizvozvo but without the Director General's knowledge. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section mufunguro enyu, subscribe or like.